Lean against the cable. Bend over, grab that rope. Perfect. Bend your knees. Bend down, shoulders back and down, chest up. You want your hands out as wide as you can get them. Get your feet about an inch apart from your hips, and then you bend your knees so you keep your hands wide when they're in between your legs. Shoulders are back down, chest up, look nice and straight. Arms, you don't want them locked, you want them slightly bent how he has them. Perfect. Wrists are straight. Now come up. You want to come up as far as your wrist lines up with your shoulder. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up, and hit that rear delt nice and hard. Pop your chest out the whole time. Keep your hands apart. You don't want to move them back and forth during the set. Look at his arms. They're perfectly straight and they're not moving in or moving apart. It's lined up to his thigh perfectly. You want to come up just to your shoulders.